In today's video, we're going to look at the NEEWER KM23 wireless lav microphone. So yeah, something a little bit different for you guys today, just to kind of a little bit of a filler video if I'm being honest, but you know, it's not quite the usual PC tech sort of video, PC gaming tech sort of stuff, but we've got a bit of a filler just because with what happened with the motherboard and everything last week. So basically, well, yeah, I'll say about it now. I mean, obviously, the motherboard that we had last week, the Gigabyte A620MH, that we tried to put a system on, it didn't boot up, obviously, and I'm going to return the board, and we'll get a new. We're going to get the new MSI B840. Yeah, B840 M-B, I think it is, and that was £90. So I'm looking forward to that one. But for now, we will go back to this, and basically this is the NEEWER wireless lav microphone. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and this is basically just to help my YouTube channel, basically just to kind of bring it up and, you know, just help it out in terms of quality and what have you. Yeah, so basically I was actually missing the little thing as well. I forgot to put that on. Never mind, forget it. We'll carry on. It's usually got the little sort of muffle thing over the top of that. But anyway, this is the wired microphone that I use, wired lav microphone that I use. Basically, it's just annoying having the wire having to run from the PC to here, and I have to use an extension cable, USB extension cable. And then when I'm trying to do builds and stuff, I can't really move around too much. So having a wireless one here is going to really help us. And it actually only cost me £30 this as well. So especially as you get 2 transmitters, or like 2 microphones, if you will, with the 1 receiver to your laptop or your, well, ideally it's to your iPhone or your smartphone or what have you, but you can put it onto your laptops or PCs or what have you as well. It does use the USB-C connection, but it does also have a lightning connector as well, so you can connect it to iPhones and what have you. You know, the lightning port on older iPhones, or up to about the 14, I think it was, they use the lightning cable. Then they moved to USB-C. I think it was on iPhone 15, I think it was. But yeah, this is a nice little wireless microphone, I think, and should help quality-wise, and also it'll be easier for me to do builds and stuff and what have you. So I think it's a nice little addition, and I didn't want to go with one of those really expensive Rode microphones, which cost about £100 just for a wireless microphone. It's just not worth it for me, and I thought for 30 quid we may as well just give this a go, and at worst I can return it back to Amazon anyway if I don't think it's very good. But hopefully it'll all be fine, and it looks okay, and other people reviewed it on YouTube, and I think it should all be fine. So let's just see first of all what you get in the packaging. Quite a nice little box, I think, that they put here. So that's, you know, that's kind of a nice little start. And really quite a nice little pouch thing here we get, actually, so I quite like this. Yeah, that's a really nice smart little pouch to keep everything in, I think. So that's a plus from NEEWER already. I think that's how you say it, N-E-E-W-E-R. I'm going to say it's NEEWER anyway. So this part is like the sort of, I suppose, dead cat you could call it, or like a wind muff, or whatever the hell you want to call it. Just to kind of, if you're doing like outside filming, but for me it's not going to be useful because I do really inside filming all the time anyway. So yeah, that'll be fine. And this is the little adapter as well for USB-C to the lightning connector. Sorry if there's any background noise and stuff which has been picked up here, but there is actually construction and stuff going along, so I do apologise. But anyway, we'll just have to carry on with the video. But hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully there isn't too much background noise here. So yeah, that's the little converter for your iPhone, basically. If you are going to connect it to your iPhone for this one, but again, you don't have to. So that and again, this just connects onto the microphone itself, and then you've got a little magnet there as well, so that will just clip on and what have you. So that's all nice. Then we have our charging cable, which is USB-C. in fact, there's two ends to this charging cable, so I assume that you can charge both the transmitters at the same time, but I'm not sure. Again, I can't confirm 100% there, but that's what I think anyway. And this is your secondary one as well for your secondary microphone. So that's nice, and it's all in that pouch there. But again, we won't need those, so I'll put them back. And so here we are. So first of all, that's your receiver. So that's your receiver, and it's got TX1 and TX2 on it as well. So you know, quite nice. It will display which microphone's on and what have you, and received, what have you. So that's nice. And then we've got our two here, our two transmitters. So that's quite nice as well. There is magnets that you can put on if you want to just clip the magnets on, or there is the little clips here, so you can just clip it to your shirt. And it goes that way up with the microphone at the top there, so that's not bad. And then we've actually got like a USB-C to USB-C extension cable. This is if you're if you've got this in your iPhone, for example, then you can just connect that into the side, and then you can obviously like put your charger in and what have you, and charge your phone at the same time, basically, as you've got this in your phone, sort of thing. But anyway, you know, you can sort that out yourself as you want. But basically, what we'll do is I think we'll try and just turn it on first of all and see if it pairs. And is there instructions? So you do get also a quick instruction guide as well. So here we are with the NEEWER, well, the NEEWER, whatever. Such a weird name that, but anyway, NEEWER lav mic. Now, first of all, there is quite a lot of noise. Someone's got some like tree cutter thing or something going on. So this is, in one way, this is actually quite a good test to see whether that kind of background noise actually gets kind of left out of this audio, so you don't hear it. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it's not actually caught in the recording. I can hear it literally from there, but anyway, hopefully it has kind of muffled it out, and it is quite clear that's coming through now. Hopefully this is either as good quality as the previous lav mic that I had, or hopefully even better. Hopefully this is all coming through okay. Again, I'm going to listen back to the audio myself now, and I'll report back to you of how I think it is. So yeah, I've listened back to that audio, and actually that tree cutter thing, which is still going on now, which is really annoying. Must be someone, I don't know what it is, but anyway, that actually did get cut out of the audio, so that's actually really good. So it is really annoying me, I have to say. I just can't get my video done, guys. This is just ridiculous. Shut up! Oh my word. Anyway, I'll just have to carry on with this video. Sorry if it's it's a bit of a... It's so annoying. It's just so loud on the side there, but I just have to carry on with this video because I don't really want to stop it. I just kind of, this is the time I wanted to record, and now they put it on a fucking tree cutter thing. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I think the audio was actually fine. Hopefully it was all good. Like I said, it did cut out that bloody thing, but anyway, yeah. Actually, to be fair, this is actually quite a really good lav mic. It connected instantly. I didn't even have to pair it. It was automatically paired for me. Literally just press that on button for about 3 seconds. Just hold it down for 3 seconds and it's turned on fine. I don't think I'm going to need like any wind muff or anything like that on it. This is inside audio, so that's fine as well. I think there is like a noise reduction thing as well, but again, I think the kind of noise from outside hasn't been picked up anyway, so I think we don't even need to use that. And overall, I think the quality is good enough, and it will just allow me to kind of move around and stuff while I'm doing my videos, and not having that big trailing cable going along across my room almost is going to be an absolute plus, I think, actually. So I'm certainly in favour of a wireless microphone, and for £30, to be fair, you know, it comes in a very nice presentable little sort of bag thing there, which you can easily keep, and if you need to take it round anywhere, it's portable. You've got two as well, which is a really big plus, I think, for only £30. That's a real good plus, and it fits into, like I say, your iPhone. You can put it into, I've put mine into my laptop. You can put it into desktops, anything with a USB-C connection, basically. I think I'm not sure about iPads, but anyway, I think probably would do iPads as well, but it certainly do Mac as well. But yeah, nice little presentation box, like I say. And then you can keep your devices all there, kind of nice and safe, and have a few little things on top and what have you. And it's all good. And actually, it is kind of cutting out that really annoying chainsaw or whatever is going on there. But anyway, I can't believe this has been going throughout the whole video that I've been recording. That's been going. But anyway. But I suppose in one way it kind of worked because it's kind of tested the audio. So in one way that's kind of been an advantage. So using it to my advantage, having that annoying sound in my ear over there somewhere. I don't know. But anyway, bit of a different video for you guys. I just wanted to give this a little go. Mainly it was for my own sort of testing purposes, so I can go forward. I can't say the word. Forward with my videos, obviously. And obviously, like I said, that motherboard that we had, the AM5 motherboard, you know, was really frustrating. I'm just going to have to send it back to Amazon. I'm not happy with it, that Gigabyte one. I think, I mean, I don't want to say as a whole, but, you know, I have had more trouble with Gigabyte boards than other manufacturers. And I have gone with an MSI board this time as well, because I've never really had trouble with MSI boards. So we should be good with an MSI board. And this MSI board does actually have those dot to debug LEDs as well, so that would be great. And hopefully once we do get that together, we'll be able to use our NZXT H3 Flow case for that, because that was actually that case was for that build, was for that motherboard build. So yeah, it's all been very unfortunate how the timings have kind of not matched up and what have you. And obviously I'm still waiting for that new motherboard to come down now, and I kind of just wanted a video out for you guys, so at least you've got something for this week. And obviously please subscribe for that future video which will come out. I'll have the motherboard one, and then we'll test the motherboard in that same video, and then the week after should be the NZXT H3 Flow. So really looking forward to that one. Hope you are as well, guys. So a little bit different for you guys here. Hope you liked it though. Please like if you did. Please comment on what you think of the audio and what have you. Just to make sure you're happy. Just let me know that everything's good there. And obviously please subscribe to see my future videos. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.